Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why does your device keep disconnecting? And firstly, what we can try is to disable dual connection, because it make connection instability sometimes. So open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and go to additional settings. And right here at the third line we have dual connection, so firstly disable it. Also we need to disable spatial audio if this method didn't help it. So go back, and right here also at the main menu at the audio effects we click on it, and we have dimensional audio. Click on it also, and we need to disable immersive sound, so it may fix this problem also. Next one, if both of these methods didn't help you, I recommend it to perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone, so then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, so it may fix your problem. If it also didn't help you, the next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the lid. At the bottom we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button until listed light flashed red 3 times. Firstly it entered to panic mode and it starts blinking white. It's okay, just keep holding this button. 1, 2 and 3. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone and then add it. So go to the settings, now Bluetooth, and right here at the device list near to your earbuds we have information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Click on it and then forget the device. Forget device again. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device. At the top you will see this button. And after a factory reset, we don't need to use connectional button to enter panic mode, because this earbuds enter to panic mode automatically, so we just tap on it at the device list. And we did it. Now check, maybe it fixed this problem. If it also doesn't fix your problem, the last one is to reset network settings. So firstly I'll show it for Apple devices and then for Android devices. So if you have Apple device, open settings, and after that we need to go to the general. So click on it, right here scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. Right here click reset and select reset network settings. Now write your PIN and click reset network settings. Now we need to wait. Now go to the settings, Bluetooth, and tap at your earbuds here, and we have connection. Next let's move to Android devices. Open settings, Now scroll down and we need to find System. Right here we have it. Click on it and then scroll down. Go to Reset Options. And right here we have Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and that's actually all what we need. On Apple devices we haven't this option, we can reset only network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi inside of this. But right here on Android we can only use to reset Bluetooth. So click on it and then click Reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!